How was your summer?
Well, it was so good. I went to a few different places. I enjoyed it. Spent some time with family. I loved it. How about yours?
I did nothing.
That sounds fun.
Except miss the Washington Stars.
Oh.
I think I have a song that I'd like to sing that expresses how much I missed Washington over this summer.
I missed them. I missed them more than. I missed them more than you did.
I don't mean to drag it on, but I can't seem to let you go. I don't wanna make you face this world alone. I wanna let you know. I tried to go like I never knew you. I'm awake, but my world's never asleep. I pray for this heart to beat unbroken, but without you all I'm going to be is incomplete.
Nailed it. There's a dog out there.
While missing the Washington Stars, I did a lot of dancing with my eyes closed.
Well, yeah, I kind of think we all probably did that over the summer a few times at least.
This month a little bit different, no one is ever ready. And when it unfolds, you get in a hole. How can it be this heavy? Everything changes, nothing's the same, except the truth is now you're gone. Life just goes on, so I'm dancing with my eyes closed. Everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. I don't know what else that I can do, so I'll keep dancing with my eyes. So I'll keep dancing with my oh, I keep dancing with my.
Miss Becky, Liv, thanks for joining us on our ride to Washington today. How's your summer?
So good. So good.
And the Jay-Z song was on, and the Jay-Z song was on, and the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song, the butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah, moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up to play my song, and know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, it's a party in the USA. Yeah, it's a party in the USA.
All right, I'm so excited for the school year. I feel like we should be making some promises as well to Washington.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
I don't think I've ever heard this song before.
What?
You need to be singing, right? Lip syncing is okay.
No, you need to sing it.
Why?
It's karaoke.
karaoke.
Oh, I thought we were doing lip sync.